y'all doing out there in quarantine land?
What is that accent?
I have no idea. I think I've been hanging around with my neighbors.
Oh, okay.
Well, that and I lost a tooth, so they can't kick me out of the neighborhood anymore.
No, that's true.
Yeah, I had to do an extraction.
No perfect set of pearly whites. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
All right, so...
we got a question today, don't
Yeah, we
we?
do.
Oh, I like questions.
Are classic cars safe?
Yes. With a caveat.
Oh, okay. There's always
they-
the fine print.
Well, they were safe for the time that they were built and designed for. They met all of the minimum safety requirements that the federal government wanted. Compared to today's cars, no. There's no airbags. There's no
3-point.
anti. Oh, actually, they do have 3-point now. There's no anti-lock braking system. There's none of that. If you step hard on the brakes, you'll lock them up.
Yeah.
So, it's just one of those things. This technology's gotten way better.
Yeah.
So,
So can you make a classic car safer?
safer, but not up to today's standards.
So what kinds of things can you install to help bring it up?
Disc brakes up front is always a good thing with a new master cylinder. That's always a good add-on. We also like to lower the cars a little bit, and it doesn't have to be like completely slammed to the ground, although that's our preference. Those are actually not as safe, but it lowers the center of gravity a little bit and makes it a little bit more comfortable. We can do air ride setups, we can do hydraulic setups, so you can give adjustability to it, but it's still not gonna be as safe as mom's SUV.
Yeah. Well, sure. No airbags.
No airbags, no.
Because there's no computer.
No computers.
Now, tell me about the seatbelts, though, because I know Mabel has just lap belt.
Yes, she will never have. The 3-point harness wasn't included in that year model.
Right.
And when we built her, we didn't add the third post in, which is back here. In fact, this is David Range's car that we're getting masked up, getting ready to go over the booth. So we're going to do the inside shoot on this today. This, as you can see, has got the semaphores, and if we were to try to pocket the retainer nut, it would actually interfere with the semaphores.
Oh, yeah.
So we can't really retrofit this one.
Right.
It's a design thing.
Yep. And yet the Porsche, you basically it's almost like a roll cage in there, right?
That is a roll cage in
Yeah.
there. Yeah.
So
Well, that one, we definitely have made that one safer, but that's also going to be a track car.
Yeah.
Or a rally. Or
Rally car?
rally.
Really?
Is it rally? Yeah, so a rally car.
What's going to happen to the paint?
Well, he's going to put it into a wall or like run over a cone or something, and then we'll repaint what we need to repaint.
He's got a guy.
We got a guy. So
Interesting.
So hopefully you guys are enjoying the content. We do 2 videos a week. Hit that like, subscribe button down. I think it's over there. I don't know.
Close enough.
We really appreciate the support. We're trying to get up to, we're trying to increase our count on how many people are actually subscribing to our YouTube. And
Yeah, maybe we'll have a little celebration when we hit 1,000 subscribers.
Yeah, I tell you what, we'll do a giveaway when we hit 1,000.
That sounds good.
And I think we'll give a copy, signed autographed copy from the guys here at the shop for the book, How to Restore Your Volkswagen Beetle. So, other than that, this is just what we got going on.
Sounds good.
Gonna see some color today.
Oh, finally.
Yes.
Stone, you excited? Oh, you also have a razor blade in your mouth.
Yeah, that's kind of standard for us. But it's the not sharp side.
Well, I'm glad. All right, tell me what's going on with Rusty Bus.
Dance project. Hey, Daren. Oh, he's not even in here. So Daren and Rodney have been working on this.
Oh, look at that.
So we
got
actually
a scaffolding.
have brand new steel in here.
Very nice.
So new frame rails went in yesterday.
Floor's gone.
No, the floor's not done. They're actually
No,
out.
I mean, it's gone. It's out.
Yeah, it's all been removed, and it has to be done in pieces so we don't destroy everything. So bits and pieces going back together. We figured it can be in this part of the welding shop for probably another couple months.
Yeah.
Before it goes over to the body shop. There's a lot of metal to replace, but
Yeah.
I mean, it's not too bad.
It doesn't wiggle as much.
It's not too bad, But it's definitely come a long way from what it was. At least now we feel sort of comfortable touching it.
Yeah.
So Daren's been playing with this thing.
Good. All right. Wow, that's...
And if you guys notice when you walk through the front of the shop, they actually had all the floor stuff laid out on the ground.
Yeah.
And so they're getting a plan together about how to put everything in. It makes it easier. So anyway, they're getting a game plan together for getting all of the floor in, and it's got to be squared up and trued, and then we'll true the body to that. So this thing is all cattywampus, as the kids like to say, all cattywampus.
Cattywampus.
Little by little. This will be a long project, but you notice that the doors actually line up now.
Yeah, how about that?
So, and this is just in doing all the bracing. So that's what we're using to actually line everything up. Right now, the entire body is shifted towards the passenger side a little bit. And you can notice that back here. If you look at the wheel wells and the spacing between that frame rail and that wheel well, and then this one we actually had to cut out in order to get that frame rail in. We're going to replace this anyway.
Okay.
But you can tell the whole body's been shifted.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
So it's once we get...
I mean, it's rubbing on this side.
Yeah, we're going to be doing more bracing in here, and we'll get all of this locked in, and then we'll start replacing the sheet metal to where it needs to be.
Wow.
Little by little. Little by little. It's a rusty process. We eat rust for lunch.
Okay.
That's why Coronas don't care. So I hope you guys are maintaining your sanity during this mass panic, global pandemic, something or whatever. And it's Blurb Day.
It's Blurb's Day.
Blurb Day.
I'll be just coming up with more stuff for vinyl.
There's a big confab over here.
Yeah, it's a GIA convention.
It's a GIA convention.
What's going on, guys?
We're all
Making
meeting of the mind,
Brainstorming.
making more work for Daren.
Oh.
That's what they call brainstorming.
Yeah.
I think so. I think that's the
It's
way
looking
to go.
good.
Yeah.
It's all
Yeah.
him, it ain't me.
I know.
The real important thing that's happened since we last looked at Gazzo is I've got our wind lace in place.
Oh.
Which is, it's a nice foam wrapped in vinyl that gives it a nice look and fills in any gaps here, and when the door closes, it's just another barrier between wind coming in the vehicle through the door jamb.
So that he can fully enjoy his little sound system
Yes.
without any road noise.
Mm-hmm.
Dang.
Yeah.
This is looking good. I like that stitching.
Yeah.
Who did that?
That came from SoFine, right?
It came like that.
Yeah.
Wow. Very nice. Very good.
Thank you. Yeah,
It's impressive.
we're making bits of work.
Just like a cover across there or something?
Right now, it's a lot of going slowly and carefully, making sure everything fits just right. Like, I cut out here from the carpet company on this boot was wrong, and I cut out here
alright.
isn't exactly big enough, so we're having to
Work around it.
carefully adjust the carpet cut so that it's right.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Hopefully by the end of tomorrow, we'll have all of the carpet that's fixed firmly in place, and then that'll just leave the square that goes back here
Oh, sure.
and the bit that goes here that are kind of like your removable floor mats on modern cars.
Yeah.
They'll be the last thing left, and they don't get glued in. They just set so that they can be pulled out and cleaned and that kind of thing.
Okay, great. Is this the German square weave carpet?
Yes, it is the German square weave.
Very nice. Well worth it.
Yeah, it looks beautiful.
Yeah, it's a little bit pricier than stock for sure.
Yeah,
But really, really gorgeous. Nice.
yeah, it is.
This way, but it ain't wet, right?
Keep it up. That's awesome.
It was still pretty gushy over there the other day, Friday.
Hey, who can give me an update on Miss Christine here?
I don't know.
Nobody?
It hasn't done anything. We're waiting on Spindles to come back.
Oh, okay. Spindles. All right.
Daren has stopped.
Did you see the seat? Was the seat the
Ah.
if you just come to this side, we'll do a little bit on this guy. We're down a whole lot. He's just been sitting here. We're working on that one.
Yeah, that one's amazingly more stable.
So in here, really, the only thing we did, this is a rock and roll bed where it can pull down so you could sleep.
Sweet.
So we're currently sizing that up because it's a one-size-fits-all vans from 1960 to 1994.
Back in the old, if this van's rocking, don't come a knocking days.
So we
Okay.
got to get it all sized out, so we're working on that. And then there's another sheet that goes here, which we're waiting on covers and stuff for,
Okay.
and we'll have it going. So that's really the only thing that's happened with this guy. Now he's just in limbo. We did do the front seat. Did you already see that
I
one
haven't.
there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah, show
The
the
front seat got done.
See, looks good.
So he's all
Oh
new.
wow.
Covered
Oh,
it.
that looks nice. Very nice. This is going to be a nice little sleeper van. Like you wouldn't expect it to be so
Yeah,
nice
it's like
inside.
Yep. And then we've got new wheels already ready to go back on it with new tires.
Okay.
Kingpins are supposed to be back today.
Oh, good,
Hopefully,
okay.
so we can get the front end back together on it and see how
Nice.
bad out it is from front and rear. So hopefully, maybe by the end of the week, this thing will be where we could roll it around if we had to.
Okay.
But we don't perceive taking it off this lift.
Yeah. Not too soon.
No.
Not too soon. Oh, this is going to be
Did you
fantastic.
get the update on that
We
thing?
did. Oh my gosh, you've been busy welding.
Yes, he has been
Got
busy
like
on
an
that.
internal scaffolding. Or,
Yes,
you know?
yes. So that's
It
what we
doesn't
got.
wiggle so much when you walk by.
No, the wind don't make it move now.
That's great. Now,
It's gonna start
Daren,
looking like a van again soon.
that's good. You brought a little something into
Oh,
the
yeah.
shop.
You wanna go
Well,
see
not
it?
in the shop, but
Well,
close.
look at it. It's coming in here in a minute.
It made it to work.
It's gonna come in the door and get its tire put on.
Tires.
Yeah, tires.
Oh.
Trying to get some.
So when did you get this? What is it?
This thing 2 days ago, but I just went to get it yesterday. See, I
Okay.
figured if I'm gonna work at a Volkswagen shop, I gotta have a Volkswagen.
Well, yeah.
So I went and bought this little dude. It's a 1971 Beetle.
Wow.
So
It's pretty solid. I
it
mean,
is solid, so it's gonna need a little work, but it's a little project, so I'll be able to work. It has 4 different tires currently, which in a minute we're gonna put 4 same tires on it. But I drove it to work this morning and had the tire gave out about 2 blocks away.
oh
so
my
had to
gosh. You
drive-
still made it.
I had
That's,
to limp in here on that tire right there.
this is the worst tire I have ever seen.
Well,
that was actually like in use.
it's because I drove on it a little bit. It probably
Yeah, it didn't help matters, huh?
didn't help it, but
I'm glad
but-
you made it safely.
she's got some potential.
You
I
gonna
like
name
her.
this bug?
I haven't yet. I'm going to though, but
Alright.
it's
What are your
solid.
plans?
I
You
don't know
gonna roll
yet.
it as a patina?
Yeah, I'm not. I'm probably gonna do something besides black spray paint, but I'm not gonna paint it no $high paint job. I'll probably just paint. We may just go with a primer and just let her ride.
All right.
Paint the wheels black and just go with it.
I think that could be a good
We
plan.
got to do some stuff like get some new glass and stuff, but
Yeah.
she'll be all right. We'll put some early model bumpers on here because it's a
Okay.
71, so it had the big bumpers.
Oh,
I'm
yeah,
gonna get
yeah.
rid of those, put some little bumpers on her.
Great.
And other than that, I'm not going to spend a bunch of money on her. It came with brand new seat covers,
Well, how about that?
so I just got to put a little bit of foam in there. The foam
Oh,
is
yeah.
out. But I
a
got
little
new
saggy.
seat covers, and it's got a fuel leak. You can smell gas. I'll fix that. But it starts and runs, so
Oh, there you go.
what can you do?
That's awesome.
Can't ask for much more than that.
No, can we ask how much you paid for that?
$1,450.
That's not bad.
No.
For driving, running, parked when I,
Little
I
teeny
mean, ran
baby
when I
bug.
parked it.
It's solid. Your feet don't go through the floor.
That's good. No Flintstones.
It starts. It's got all its parts, so we're good.
That's fantastic.
So
Well, that'll be a fun little project.
yeah,
for you.
we'll keep updated. And once I name it, then we'll keep updated with that one.
Yes,
See
definitely.
how he comes along.
Awesome. That's great.
Well, it will have tires on it today, so I can drive it at least.
That's a good thing. Tires are definitely a plus.
Yeah, you got her going.
Well, welcome to the family, little Beetle.
Yeah, a little Beetle.